Hello, welcome the students. We shall start the. In the last episodes, we have studied about the flower, and I have already told you that flower contains sepals, petals, stamens, and pistils. The four parts which I have already told you. Sepals is called calyx, petals is called corolla, stamens called androecium, and pistil called gynosium. In this, androecium is the male reproductive organs, gynosium is the female reproductive organs. It is called male reproductive organs and it is female reproductive organs, and so they are essential organs and these are the supporting or accessory organs. About this I have told you in the last video. Now, and I have also told you some terms which I used for that. Today we shall study the position of ovary in respect to other floral members. What is the position? We know that androecium is a stamen, it is filament, and it is anther. And about the gynosium or pistil, ovary, this is the stem, style, and this is a stigma, and this is ovule. And about calyx and corolla, we have already said about sepals and petals. If the now, what is the position of ovary, that is this part, in respect to others, that is in respect to stamens, calyx and corolla? This is of three types. The position may be of three types. One is hypogynous, second one is perigynous, and third one is epigynous. So the position of ovary or gynosium may be of three types. One is hypogynous, next one is perigynous, and third one is epigynous. First we shall see the hypogynous. Hypo means below, and gynous means gynosium, means all the other parts of the floral members except gynosium, that is except ovary, that is below the gynosium. These are found below the gynosium, means just like that. Suppose this is the this is the thalamus, and below that all the other parts, that is stamens, that is petals and sepals, all the other parts below the ovary. Means position of ovary is on the top and all other parts on the below. यानी इसमें अंडाशय का स्थान सबसे ऊपर होता है और बाकी सबों का ओवरी का स्थान सबसे, और बाकी सभी सदस्यों का स्थान उसके नीचे होता है. That is hypogynous, means all the members are found below the gynoecium, that is below the ovary. So ovary is on the topmost, so it is called superior, and all the other parts below the gynoecium, so they are called inferior. Means that is the about hypogynous. That just all the parts are found below the gynoecium, so it is known as hypogynous. Example: mustard, China rose. So this is the about hypogynous, means all the other parts are found below the gynoecium. Now this one, peri means around, gynous means gynoecium. That is they are the other parts. In this you see that both ovary and the other parts are found at the same level, so it is around the gynoecium, so it is known as perigynous. It means ovary has come somewhat below, so it is half inferior, and other parts has gone somewhat upwards, so other parts half superior. Examples: plum, rose. These are the example, means just the other parts are found around the gynoecium, so it is known as perigynous. Now epigynous. Epi means above. All the other parts are found above the gynoecium. Means all the, means like stamens, corolla, sepals, petals, like that, they are found above the gynoecium, means above the ovary, like that. This is the and female. These are the other parts, means that is sepals, petals and stamens, and this is the, you see the all parts are developed above the ovary, so that is known as epigynous, means above gynosium. Example, guava, sunflower. So here we see about the position of ovary. So ovary is just below, so it is known as inferior, and other parts superior, means they all are above that and this is below. So we see that there are three positions. One is hypogynosium, one is perigynous, and next one is epigynous. While we study about this, there is a symbol for that. For the hypogynous, we will see hypogynous. For one hypogynous, the symbol will be G like. Understand? For the second, the symbol will G half. And for the third, that is epigynous, GM. So there are three symbols. One for this, for hypogynous, G underlined. That is perigynous, G middle line, and epigynous, G above line, that is G bar. So these are the three symbols of this one, of hypogynous. This is of perigynous, and this is of epigynous. Means gynosium on the top and all the other parts below. Gynosium and all other parts is the same level, and gynosium is below and all the other parts is above. So these are the symbol of these types. Now the next point is estivation. Estivation, that is, we know that flowers contain sepal and petals also. So how they arrange, that is arrangement of the sepal and petals, is studied under the estivation. सेपल और पेटल्स की जो व्यवस्था होती है उसके अध्ययन को हम एस्टिवेशन के अंतर्गत किया जाता है. नाउ द वी कैन राइट दैट मोड ऑफ arrangement of sepals and petals in the floral buds with respect to other members of the or means or how it is the suppose the flowers and how they are arranged, how the sepal petals are arranged with each other, that is known as estivation. Understand? Means arrangement of sepal of petals in thought with respect to each others. Means that we can write arrangement of sepals and petals with respect to other members, that we studied in that estimation. This arrangement is of several types. ये arrangement कई किस्म के होते हैं. One is Valbet, twisted, imbricate, bacillary. These are the following types of estivation. Now this is the Valbet. First type. Here you see that ends are that the tips are ended at their corners, means no one in overlapping position. कोई भी इसमें ऐसा नहीं है जो ओवरलैप किया हो, बल्कि एक दूसरे के साथ सटे हुए स्थिति में है. एक जहाँ खत्म होता है उसके बाद नेक्स्ट वन स्टार्ट होता है. where one is finished the other is started. Such type of conditions is known as valvate, and it is found in callitraphis. Now the twisted मतलब बैठा हुआ, that is all are found in the overlapping positions. All are found in the overlapping position. One is overlapped by others. That is twisted. All are found in overlap position. Examples: China Roach means now this is the imbricate. It is a unique type of way. You see that here the both parts is inside, here the both ends are outside, and all other are in overlapping positions. Means one is out of both ends, 1 plus 1 plus 3, like that. Means the three are alternate, and one both ends are inside and both are outside. Such case is known as imbricate and found in Gulmohar. That is the example. So is 1 plus 1 plus 3 arrangement. One is complete. एक जिसका दोनों एंड्स आउटसाइड होता है, एक जिसका दोनों एंड्स इनसाइड होता है, और बाकी तीन का अप एंड डाउन होता है. मीन्स 1 plus 1 plus 3 अरेंजमेंट होता है. इसको हम क्या कहते हैं? imbricate. Examples: Gulmohar. Now the maxillary. Here you see this is also unique type. Here one is covered the full and two in overlapping positions, and these two are in the lower sides. It is found in the family of Papilionaceae. Means example P. Mottle. So this is found in the examples of P or mottle. So such type of arrangement of found in the in the sepals and petals, and that arrangement is called estivation. तो सेपल और पेटल्स की व्यवस्था इस हिसाब से पाई जाती है, समझे, जहाँ सभी एंड्स एक दूसरे से सटे होते हैं, भालबेट. जहाँ एक दूसरे पे ओवरलैपिंग होते हैं, ऐठे हुए होते हैं, दैट इज ट्विस्टेड. जहाँ 1 1 plus 3 पोजिशन होता है, दैट इज imbricate. और जहाँ हम एक दूसरे को ढके हुए होता है, जहाँ ढका हुआ होता है, दैट इज नोन एज maxillary. दिस इज फाउंड इन पी. तो सो ये कुछ व्यवस्थाएं हैं सेपल और मेटल्स के पाए जाने की, एंड दैट अरेंजमेंट इज नोन एज एस्टिवेशन. नाउ द stamen, that is androsium. You know, it is the male reproductive organs. this is filament, and this is anthers. So this is about and they are the male reproductive unit. Organs. It is, and sometimes the stamens are sterile, means it cannot take part in reproduction. So sterile stamens are called staminode. स्टेराइल स्टेमेंस को हम लोग किस नाम से जानते हैं? ऑकर का आता है, ये कभी अलग होता है, कभी गच्छे के रूप में पाता है, समटाइम्स फाउंड, समझे, फ्री एंड समटाइम्स फाउंड इन बंडल, sometimes found in bundles. If it is found in one bundle, it is called monodelphous. मोनो मीन्स वन, डेल्फस मीन्स बंडल यानी गुच्छा, एक गुच्छे में पाया जाता हो तो उसको हम लोग क्या कहते हैं? मोनोडेल्फस. जैसे देखते हो ना, इन द चाइनाज में देखते होंगे सभी स्टेमन्स एक ही गुच्छे में पाए जाते हैं. हम दैट इज नोन एज monodelphous. When they are found in two bundles, these are known didelphous. Di means two, delphous means गुच्छा, बंडल, दो गच्छ. जैसे पी में देखोगे so it is found in the pea plant, that is Pisum sativum. Here you see that there are two bundles. One is 9 plus 1. Two bundles, one of 9 and second of us. So such type of bundle in there, that is two bundles are called didelphous. जहाँ दो गुच्छों में पाया जाता हो समझे उसे डाइडेल्फस कहते हैं. और सब जैसे पी में, और जहाँ बहुत अधिक गुच्छों में पाया जाता हो दैट इज नोन एज पॉलीडेल्फस. पॉलीडेल्फस means poly means many. So these are the examples of that. If you, when you will study about family, you will study in how many delphas, in how many bundles the stamens is found. If they are found in single, that is monodelphous. If they are found in two, that is didelphous. If they are found in three, tridelphous, tetradelphous, and many pentadelphous, polydelphous. like हम एक गुच्छे में पाया जाए तो मोनोडेल्फस, दो गुच्छे में पाया जाए डाइडेल्फस, तीन गुच्छे में पाया जाए ट्राइडेल्फस, चार में पाया जाए टेट्रा, ज्यादा में पाया जाए तो पॉलीडेल्फस. तो दे ज्यादा सम. नाउ द गाइनोसियम, it is all called carpel or pistil. Pistil. Understand? They are female reproductive organs. They are either found in separate, अलग अलग पाए जाते हैं, समझे, not separate. There may be one or many. या तो एक होता है या कई होते हैं, समझे। अब जब कई होते हैं तो ये या तो अलग अलग होते हैं या यूनाइटेड संयुक्त होते हैं। तो ये कार्पेल या पिस्टिल या तो एक होता है या कई होता है। कई अगर होते हैं तो या तो अलग अलग होते हैं या यूनाइटेड होते हैं। जब अलग अलग होंगे तो दे आर नोन एज एपोकार्पस, और जब ये साथ में होंगे तो दैट इज नोन एज सिनकार्पस। सिनकार्पस मीन्स संयुक्त, एपो मीन्स अलग। तो जब ये अलग अलग होंगे, when the pistils are free, that is known as apocarpus. When they are united, they are called syncarpus.